Starting a YouTube channel from zero again, I probably would the following things. First, one thing is I would look just from the beginning for a course like a video ranking academy where you got a community and specific tools and blocks and modules that you can go through to learn what you want, what you're looking for. It's much easier than figuring it out all by yourself. But at the same time, I would look for a community, maybe it's even the same, that has something like a 30-day challenge like the one from Tamara Gabriel. Where are you forced to do each single day a video, even though if it's 30 seconds, a minute, 2 minutes, but to just keep going, filming, and get used to speak in front of a camera. And in my case, getting used to speak more in public. It's now easier right now as less people are around. And while you're at it, you get slowly the hang of it, and you also get slowly an idea what your channel should be about, and if there's anything you need to know. And the first and the most major thing that I guess is also important, just grab a camera that fits, maybe even just your smartphone, or maybe a ultra compact camera like a Insta360 Go Ultra or a DJI Nano. I hope that will help you a bit. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment, and see you in the next one.